kids!
Start your engine, here we go. Animals driving down the road. Beep, beep, zoom, zoom, off they ride to fun places side by side. Ellie the elephant drives a bus. Kids on board, no need to fuss. She waves and smiles, takes it slow. To the school they all must go. Freddy the fox in a shiny red car goes really fast but not too far. Helmet tight, tail held high, he races birds flying by. Gina the giraffe in a car with no top drives to the beach with a soda pop. Her neck is long, it reaches the sky. She wears sunglasses as she drives by. Benny the bear in a big brown van delivers sweet bread and strawberry jam. He hums a song and sniffs the air. The bakery's closed, he's almost there. Penny the penguin in her snow machine glides on ice so fast and clean. She's off to play where it's cold and white, sliding around in the morning light. Geeky tangy or lunges to bear the players that the breeze of the queen. She's all beloved in a sea light. The downtown crane still with this blight. He the kangaroo rides a red scooter. It buzzes like a baby computer. She's on her way to the city park to bounce and play till it gets dark. Ollie the owl in a whirring chopper flies to the library, then makes a proper landing near the story tree with books for you and books for me. Then hello when they steer, more drivers on the go. To the mountain, beach, or snow, they drive with care, they drive with cheer, and wave hello when they steer near.